Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Razer Viper Ultimate with a PC. And to do this, first we'll need to get the mouse, take out all of the accessories, that be the charger and the cable. Now inside the mouse we can find the USB dongle, which is a Bluetooth that allows us to connect the mouse with our PC, and there's basically three ways we can connect it. So first one is through the wire. Connect the cable right here to USB mini port and then to USB port on your PC. That way you'll establish the USB connection with that mouse. Next way to do it is to, as I've said, remove the USB dongle. Now connect the dongle to your PC, and then you need to turn on the mouse by clicking on the switch right here to your left, and then it should be also connected. Third and final way to do it is to get the charger, connect the cable on the bottom right here, then to the cable to PC, and the dongle in this place right here. Right now, turn on the mouse again. You can also try to connect it once, and then your mouse should be also connected, and you can see it in the Razer Synapse app right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.